Welcome to today's episode on Kingna. We've got a wild lineup of junk cars that could make the perfect project or serve as parts vehicles. Let's dive into these rough but reasonable classic finds, all priced between $650 and $1,000. Star 1. 1965 Classic 550 Rambler, $750. Located in Mondovi, Wisconsin. This classic 1965 Rambler might be best left to parts. With no spark and rust eating through the floor pans, it's missing a front bumper and won't be hitting the road anytime soon. However, if you're into salvaging old vehicles, this could be a great donor car for your restoration projects. Two 1961 AMC Rambler, $800. Located in Bruner, Missouri. Here's a 1961 AMC Rambler that's seen better days. Sitting for years in a field, it's missing a radiator but still comes with a straight 6 engine and extra transmission resting on the passenger floorboard. If you're willing to put in the work, it might be good for parts or even a long-term project. Three 1961 Studebaker Champ, $700. Located in Tigerton, Wisconsin. The 1961 Studebaker Champ may not run, but it boasts a rare 289 supercharged engine from a 1957 Studebaker Golden Hawk, though the supercharger is long gone. Rust has taken over, but if you're hunting for Studebaker parts, this could be the score you need. No title included, but delivery is available. Some are for 1965 Buick Special, $1,000, located in Cottage Grove, Minnesota. This 1965 Buick Special has been parked for 20 years after driving home. The engine needs a complete rebuild as it smokes from the exhaust. It's a great candidate for a parts car with no title to offer. It's more of a car to strip down than restore. Har 5 1960 Ford Galaxy, $650, located in Wellston, Oklahoma. Here we've got a 1960 Ford Galaxy with an engine that runs if you pour gas straight into the carburetor. But, as the seller says, sold as is, with no title, this old beauty is mainly a parts car, especially with no other details offered. Har 6, 1968 Chevrolet Rambler, $1,000. Located in Haltom City, Texas. This 1968 AMC Rambler American is a stalled project car. With glass shattered and the hood hinges frozen, the condition isn't exactly promising. The engine status is unknown and it's been languishing in storage. Could be great for someone looking for spare parts or a labor-intensive project. Seven 1969 Chevrolet C10, $1,000. Located in Willard, Missouri. Here's a 1969 Chevy C10, but it's missing its front clip, has significant rust, and no title. The engine did run when the seller last poured gas down the carb, but this one is clearly more suitable as a parts truck than a restorable classic. A 1964 Pontiac Catalina, $1,000. Located in Shenandoah, Iowa. No engine, no transmission, no steering column, and no title. This 1964 Pontiac Catalina is far from roadworthy. It was picked apart for parts, but it still has some potential for other projects or parting out what's left. Nine 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe with $1,000. Located in Conway, Arkansas. This roached-out 1967 Camaro has rust upon rust, missing VIN plates, and no title. While it's beyond saving as a whole car, a Camaro enthusiast might find some useful parts in here. If you've got a trailer and a dream, this might be worth scavenging for parts. Next for our 10, 1966 Ford Thunderbird Landau, $800. Located in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This 1966 Thunderbird is missing both its engine and transmission, and with a body that's seen better days, it's firmly in the parts car territory. It does have a title, but that might be the best part of what's left. These cars won't be returning to the road anytime soon, but if you're into parting out classics, this lineup is a goldmine. Keep watching Kingna for more deals like these.